and the winner is Mela Kothi Chambal Safari Lodge, Chambal, Uttar Pradesh. Anu Pratab Singh and his wife Anu, the owners of this lodge, are to be congratulated for their efforts in conceptualizing, organizing and hosting the first ever bird festival in Uttar Pradesh, home of the Chambal Gorge and its fabulous bird life. Used as a venue to both highlight the bird life in UP but also sensitize the local population to the natural gem they have in their midst. It was attended by many of the world's best birding experts, conservation NGOs and over 2,000 visitors and 400 school kids. Opened by the state's chief minister and supported by its forest department, it was a resounding success and shows just how working together can create a win-win situation for wilderness destinations and local community.